Grasshoppers have several distinguishable features. Long hind legs. Grasshoppers have large, powerful hind legs adapted for jumping, enabling them to leap significant distances. Antennae. They have relatively short, thick antennae compared to other insects like crickets. Wings. Most grasshoppers have two pairs of wings, forewings and hind wings, which they use for short flights. Body shape. They have a cylindrical body shape, which is typically brown, green, or gray, aiding in camouflage. Mouthparts. Grasshoppers have strong, chewing mouthparts designed to feed on grasses and other plants. Tympanum. Grasshoppers have a tympanum located on the abdomen, near the base of the hind legs. Pronotum. The pronotum, a shield-like structure that covers part of the thorax, is often ridged or keeled. Compound eyes. Grasshoppers possess large compound eyes, which provide a broad field of vision. Stridulation. Males often produce sound by rubbing their hind legs against their wings, a process known as stridulation, to attract females. Segmented abdomen. The abdomen is distinctly segmented, with visible spiracles along the sides.